Escape to serenity. Welcome to the Garden House, the ultimate sanctuary at the Premier Hills, an exclusive residence with a private courtyard and a lush backyard garden. The downslope type features a grand two-story front, transitioning to a three-story rear for the perfect balance of elegance and intimacy. The upslope type offers a unique two-story front, rising to a one-story rear to capture breathtaking hilltop views. Immerse yourself in the beauty of the Flower Terrace, a breathtaking landscape, masterpiece by Palmscape Singapore. Unwind at the Hilltop Escape, where every glance offers stunning panoramic views and every moment feels like a peaceful getaway. Enjoy free lifetime membership to the exclusive clubhouse complete with premium facilities. The Premier Hills Samarinda, a world-class home resort by Agung Podomoro.